Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Be safe at your home children. So in previous class we have learnt about the how to read the time in a clock, isn't it? So now we are continue the if minute hand is at any number, how to read a time in a clock. Let's start. And when the minute hand is at any number, now we have finished minute hand is at 12, minute hand is at 3, and minute hand is at 6, and minute hand is at 9. We finished. Now if the minute hand is at any number, it can be any number, you know the minute in every number, okay, it is in 1. What happens? It is in 1 5 minutes, it is in 2 10 minutes, it is in 3 15 minutes, it is in 4 20 minutes, it is in 5 25 minutes. Like that we know that how to read then. So minute hand is at 1, it will be 1 into 5. You have to multiply 5 with that number and you have to tell 5 minutes, okay. If minute hand is 2 into 5 10 minutes. Like that you have to multiply 5 to, because there will be 5 divisions are there in one, from one number to another number. So between the two numbers there will be 5 divisions. So you have to multiply 5 to that particular number. And minute hand is at 4 20 minutes, minute hand is at 5 25 minutes, minute hand is at 6 30 minutes, minute hand is at 7 35 minutes, minute hand is at 8 40 minutes, minute hand is at 9 45 minutes, minute hand is at 10 50 minutes, minute hand is at 11 55 minutes, children. Okay, keep remembering this one. And then next, when the minute hand is at any number on a clock dial. So again we are going to learn. See there, it is in your textbook only. So our hand shows there 9 and the minute hand shows 1. We know that 1 into 5 5 minutes, 1 into 5 5 minutes. So 9, so how to read the time? 9 5. So if you want to write a 5 0 5, you have to write, children. Don't write only 5. So you have to write 9 2 dots there and 0 5 you have to write. Or 5 minutes past 9. You have to, how many minutes passed there from of a minute hand? 5 minutes it passed. So you have to tell 5 minutes past 9. So consider the next example there. Minute hand shows 7. 7 means 7 into 5 35. 7 into 5 35. So 6:35. What is the time now in the clock? 6:35. Other are 35 minutes. So 35 minutes past 6. 35 minutes past 6. Like this you have to read if the minute hand is at any number, children. Now I hope all of you are understood. So that is if minute hand at any number, how to read the time from the clock. Okay. And next is the AM PM. What is AM and PM? We are using in our daily life. Yes or no? So AM is anti-meridian and PM is prime meridian. Okay. So how to this one? How to represent? So this one in midnight. So midnight 12 o'clock to noon 12 o'clock. Midnight 12 o'clock to noon 12 o'clock, it will be AM. We have to represent the time by AM. Okay. And from the noon afternoon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock, we have to use PM. Tell me, PM, that is prime meridian. Okay. PM we have to represent the time by PM. So I will tell you again. From the midnight 12 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock, you have to use AM, and from afternoon 12 o'clock to the midnight 12 o'clock, you have to use PM. Okay. And then for in your exercise 10.6, there will be question there. Write the time using AM and or PM for the following. Let's see. So there I take my breakfast at 7 o'clock. Okay, so almost commonly we are taking a breakfast in the morning. Morning means it will come to AM. Okay, 7 AM. You can tell 7 AM. Okay, and then the Mr. Gupta plays tennis at 4 o'clock in the evening. Evening means it come after the noon. Yes or no? After the noon it will come evening. So that's why 4 PM you have to represent the time. Okay, and then see once we eat dinner at 8:30. We eat dinner. Dinner will taken by night. Yes or no? In night we are taking a dinner. So that's why 8:30 PM. It is after the afternoon. Okay. So next, I go to school at 8 o'clock. Commonly we are going school at morning. Yes or no? So in the morning you have to represent the AM. AM you have to tell. Understood, children? Till noon you have to represent the time with the AM. After the noon you have to represent the time with the PM. Okay, I hope all of you are understood about. And another beautiful concept is we have two type of clock. That is, one is 24 hours clock, another one is the 12 hours clock. Commonly we are using the 12 hours clock, but in somewhere in military, in somewhere some in watches also they are using 24 hours clock, children. So you can see this one in 24 hours clock. So it represents 1/13. 1/13 and 2/14, like this. After 12 o'clock you have to go 13 hours. 14, 2 o'clock, 14 hours. So 3 o'clock to 15 hours, 4, 16 hours. Like this only you have to read, children. It is a 12 hours clock. Commonly what we are using that. See there. So 15, 1 represent 13 hours, 2, 14 hours. Okay. And then it is a 12 hours clock. You can see commonly we are using two types of clocks are there. Then converting the 12 hours time to 24 hours time. How to convert 12 hours time to 24 hours time? It very easy, children. To convert this one you have to add 12 to hours. For example, 6:15 is there. 6 is an hour and 15 is a minute. Okay. So left hand side represent hour and right hand side represent minutes. Okay. So you have to add 12 hours. 12 hours there and remove the 2 dots are there. No, that you have to remove. Don't write dots. And AM and PM will not come to represent the 24 hours time. So AM and PM you should not write there, and 2 dots are there. No, that you have to remove, and then you have to add 12 hours there to 6. So 12, 6, 15. How to represent? So you have to 18, 15 there. 18, 15. So how to read? 18, 15 hours. 18, 15 hours. In come to the 12-hour time, that is 6:15. Okay, and I'll give you more example. Conversion of time there. Okay, how to convert? So converting the 12 hours time to 24 hours time. Okay, one by one. 7:30 AM. 7:30 AM. So the left hand side we are representing 12 hours time. Commonly we are using, and right hand side that is 24 hours time. Okay, so 7:30 AM means 7 AM morning sessions. So our AM we are representing, 0, 7 you have to write, and 30 as it is write down. First hour and then minutes. Remove the dots, and AM don't write, hours you have to write, hours, HOURS. Okay, then 2 dots you have to remove and write down 0730, 7:30 hours. Okay, and then next 10 AM. 10 AM, how to represent this one? 10:00, 10:00 hours. So remove the AM and dots you have to remove and write down hours. Okay, and then 6 AM 06. Don't write only 6. There should be 4 digits should be there, children, to represent 24 hours clock. 4 digits should be there. Okay, and then 12 midnight, consider that. So if you are talking about midnight in a 12 hours time, so how to represent this time in a 24 hours clock? 0000 hours, that is 12 o'clock midnight. Okay, and then 12 noon, afternoon. 12 noon is 12 hours. See there, in midnight 12, it start from there. AM will start from there. So you have to write 000 hours. 0 hours, it start from there, no? 0 hours you have to tell. And 12 noon, 12 hours. 9:15, 21:15 hours. How this one? 21:15 hours, remove 2 dots, and 9 you have to add 12. Add 12 to 9, it become 21 hours. Okay, and then next 3:40, 3 plus 12, 3 you have to add 12 to conversion the 12 hours time to 24 hours time. You have to add 12 to hours number. Okay, so we have a 3 here in our 3 plus 12, 15 40 hours. Okay, and 11:15 AM. If AM is there, you have to as it is write down, just remove the dot and remove the AM and write down. If it is PM, you have to add 12 to hours. I will repeat once again. If it is AM, children, you have to as it is write down by removing dots and place there hours instead of AM. Okay, if it is PM, you are converting from 12 hours to 24 hours, you have to add 12 to the hour time. Okay, and then next, converting 24 hours time to 12 hours time, that is vice versa. So 12 you have a 24 hours time there. Okay, so now children, converting the 24 hours time to 12 hours time. Okay, so what you have to do here? So 000 hours means 12 AM midnight. I already explained you. 0 hours means 12 o'clock midnight. Okay, and then 0100 means 1 AM. 02 AM. AM you have to represent, remove the dots and write down. So if you come to the noon, afternoon, it will start PM. So what you have to do? You have to subtract 12. So you have to subtract 12 to represent in a 12 hours time. That is, see there, 13 hours. 13 hours means you have to subtract 12,000. 13,000 minus 12,000, 1. Okay, that is 1 PM. 14,000 hours. 14,000 hours means the 14,000 minus 12,000. That is, so the 2 PM. Okay, then 15, so 1,500 there. Okay, so 1500 hours. 1500 hours means, so you have to subtract 1200. Okay, and then you have to, it will come. So if you subtract 1500, 1200, it will come 3 PM. Like this only you have to subtract 1200. 1200 you have to subtract from the hours time. Okay, to tell the 12 hours time. Understood, children? And then conversion of time. Now converting 24 hours time to 12 hours time. I will show you how to this one. So 0630 hours. How to represent this one? 6:30 AM. 6:30 AM. So see there. So if you go to convert 24 hours to 12 hours, remove the, so you have to there will be 6 you have to take and put dots, 2 dots you have to write, and 30 as it is write down. Okay, and then 12 hours means 12 p.m. 12 hours means 12 p.m. 00 hours means midnight 12 o'clock, midnight 12 o'clock, and 00 hours means yes, midnight 12, that is 12 a.m. 12 a.m. okay, and 23 45 hours, 23 45 hours means, so you have to subtract 1200 you have to subtract there. If you subtract 1200 you will get 1145, that is 11:45 p.m. okay, and then 1350 hours, that is 1:50 p.m. so 2000 hours means, so that is 20:00 hours means 8 p.m. okay, and then this is the way to this is the way to conversion of time from 24 hours to 12 hours, children. Okay, I hope all of you are understood about the chapter 11 time. Go through the videos, children, understand the concept. Thank you.